How to log into your Binance account. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to log into your Binance account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your browser on your phone or your PC, and then on the search bar just search for Binance.com. And once you search for Binance.com, hit enter. You will be directly taken to Binance official website, and there you will see an option to log into your account. Now once you are on the official website for Binance, you can just simply enter your email or phone number here to sign up. And if you already have an account, you can just directly click on this login option. Click on login, and if you have your email here, you can just enter your email address. And once you have entered your email, go ahead and click on next, or you can just directly continue with Google. Now I'm just going to continue with Google. Click on your account. You can also directly log in from your phone, so go ahead and click on QR login, and once you press on this QR code, you can directly sign in with your phone. Just open the app on your phone and scan this QR code to log in. And that's how you easily log into your Binance account. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.